A drone has crashed in the Moscow region in what was likely an attempt to target civilian infrastructure, the regional governor said. Andrei Vorobyov was speaking after the Defense Ministry reported downing 2 Ukrainian drones in southern Russia. Ukraine does not claim responsibility for attacks inside Russia. Russian energy giant Gazprom operates a facility near the village of Gubastovo, about 100 kilometers (62 miles) from Moscow, where the drone crashed. Gazprom told Russian state-run news agency RIA Novosti that its operations in the Kolomna region had not been interrupted. The target of the drone in Kolomna was probably a civilian infrastructure facility, which was not damaged, Mr. Vorobyov posted on Telegram. There are no casualties or damage on the ground. The FSB, Russian security service, and other competent authorities are investigating, he added. Images shared by Russian media and officials show a damaged drone in a snow-covered field in front of a forest of birch trees. The area around the Gazprom facility is heavily forested. The appearance of the drone matches that of the UJ-22 Airborne, a product of Ukrainian manufacturer Akjet. Akjet says the vehicle has a range of 800 kilometers, enough for it to reach the Kolomna area from Ukraine. A reverse image reveals no previous matches for the image, suggesting it is recent. Anton Gerashchenko, advisor to Ukraine's Minister of Internal Affairs, tweeted a photo of the drone. It is more than 500 kilometers away from Russian border with Ukraine. Soon Putin might get very afraid to show himself in public as drones can reach far distances, he wrote alongside the photo. If Ukraine was behind the Kolomna drone, it would be the closest attempted drone attack to the capital since Russia invaded Ukraine more than a year ago. It came as the Russian Defense Ministry said its forces had downed 2 Ukrainian drones in southern Russia. The ministry accused Kyiv of attempting to use drones to attack civilian infrastructure in the Krasnodar region and the Adygea Republic, adding that they were neutralized by electronic warfare units. Moscow has accused Ukraine of being behind attacks on Russian military infrastructure during the war, but Kyiv has not confirmed this.